My name is Laurence Clausin. I'm from France. I'm born in Saint-Germain-en-Laye, near Paris. I am 37 years old, and I started riding motorcycle when I was age about 22 years old. I started riding road motorcycles, and since now maybe 10 years I started riding off-road bikes, and that's what I like now riding. I decided to make this trip around the world since now maybe 2 years. That's something came in my head when I started to travel in Turkey, in Morocco, and I was saying, "Whoa, that would be really cool to ride in other country with my own bike." And so the idea starting from there, and yeah, now I have the opportunity to do this. So I plan almost all to do this dream. I think riding about 2 years, and almost I think 40 countries, starting from France to Japan by the States and Russia. And after that, going to south of Asia, to join Australia, New Zealand, to finally going up to Alaska from Ushuaia, and coming back to Lusada here at the AJP factory. And after that, maybe make the Africa. I choose the AJP PR7 because for me it's a well-made bike with a lot of options included, like the tablet, like the protections, like the big tank capacity, and I would like to have also a bike that you don't see on the road by the travelers, like the main BMW, KTM or the other bikes. So that's why I choose AJP. It's really interesting to visit the factory. It's a really good opportunity for me to bring my bike from here to France to go traveling. It's really good to know how the bike is built, how all the people can do their best to produce these beautiful bikes, and I'm really happy with it. Some parts of the factory I will not forget. That I think all the molding parts, because here in the factory all the design of the plastic parts for this kind of parts or this one, for example, I designed it here, but all the molds are also made here. So 100% of the bike is designed and built here in the factory. That's really impressive. And you can follow me during my road trip by my blog longridezone.com, and I've also made an Instagram, longridezone, a Facebook page, longridezone also, and I'm just starting a YouTube channel also, so you can follow me at longridezone.com. I would like to thank AJP, the AJP factory, AJP France, and the French dealer Journey Racing, but also Moscow Moto, who will help me for this long travel with a luggage system. And if you see this video and you want to support me, you can contact me on my blog, and I will be happy to present your products during my travel. So get out of the office and let's go riding. I would like to thank AJP France, the French dealer. No, okay.
So I will
Yeah, I'm stressed.
Out of the. Oh, okay.